far away. If there's anything that you feel, call 489-4608 and I'll be.
I think that song's doing well. I think I heard about it.
Say hi to the vlog.
Yo, what it do? What it do?
We just made it. What you pointing to?
I got flowers.
Leaf flowers? It's closed though. We made it to DC. My first time in DC. I feel like it's my first time. I think my dad said he used to take me here when I was younger, but that was a long time ago. To zoom in.
Oh, my eyes not used to this. I'm used to it.
That's the type of music I need to hear coming off a train. That Caribbean with the ice sign.
You just gotta figure out. We should definitely.
Look at these steps. Just got to the Airbnb. Let me give y'all a little quick tour. This is the front door, the living room. This is the kitchen. Cute, calm. Oh, damn, that's loud. Fridge. That is so loud. Dining room table. And then we didn't know, but the rooms are upstairs. So going up these stairs. This is my room. Cute, calm, collected. Simph is coming a little later because she had to work today. This is Sim's room. We gotta put up some decorations for her birthday. This is Sean's room. And I'll show y'all the bathroom in a minute. Sean just went in there. But yeah. We gotta decorate Sim's room. She said for us to pick the room for her, so we gave her the master bedroom. She's the birthday girl. This is the bathroom. So it's real calm, nothing too fancy. So cute little house, 3-bedroom. Everybody got their own room. We're here for like 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We'll leave on Monday, later Monday though. And yeah, I'm tired. I barely got any sleep. Our train was at like 7 a.m. and we got here at 11. So now we're basically just waiting until Simph gets here. Her train is at 2, I think. And she's a little farther because she's in North Carolina and we're coming from New York. So her train ride is going to be 5 hours. Ours was 3 hours. So it really wasn't that bad, actually. I think I actually do like the Amtrak for certain locations. I might be taking the Amtrak more often. But, yeah, so she ain't gonna get here till like 7. It's like, I think, 12 right now. So, yeah, we gonna decorate the room We'll probably go to the grocery store. Probably take a nap. Definitely need to take a nap. And yeah, wait till she gets here and then we're gonna be on our way out to dinner. Anyways, I did my nails. I asked Instagram, should I show them the September, even though it's not September yet, but it's the end of August. September is in like 2 days. So I showed them my September inspo, like nail inspo. So I actually like did it, like, and it came out so freaking cute. And I'm like, wow, like, I think I am really fucking talented. Like, that's crazy. Let me show y'all the inspo. I think I carried that out pretty well. Like, literally so freaking cute. It did take forever, but I love it. I love it. I will link everything that I use. One of these days, I'll actually record my process. This took really long and I didn't even know if I could. This is my first time doing any of these designs. I literally did 10 different designs, a different design for each finger. So I'm literally so proud of myself. And I'm so talented. I deserve to be rich right now. Like, actually, but soon. All right, guys, we're gonna get this party started. Yeah.
Where do you put this at? In here?
Through the hole, I guess. Gotta make sure this shit is centered.
Well, how do you make sure the air doesn't come out? You gotta put this through it. What happened? It fell behind the bed, bro.
Yes, bro. Ugh. Fuck my life. Literally. Does that look right?
Yeah. Just move over the happy a little bit to the right. Like the Y.
I can't move the
Oh.
Y. Because I tied it. Man, cheeks is tired. This is how it came out. Pretty. The gold is so pretty, even though the numbers is a little off and we got a lot of tape up there because it kept falling. It's still cute as hell. And I hope she likes it. Of course, we're gonna record when we show her. And we got some cookies. Might throw these candles on top of the cookies. Or unless we find another sweet treat that she might like. But if not, we're gonna use the cookies. I'm not ready, but some fizzy here.
Y'all hear these stairs?
You know what?
Y'all hear these stairs?
Yeah.
Hey!
How you doing? You saw the vibe to the house?
My thing fell off. My doobie. No, it wasn't you.
Where am I?
In the middle.
This one?
Yeah.
Wow!
Happy birthday!
It's so cute! Can I take a picture? Wow! Thanks, guys.
Bagel. It was like they got a rum punch mimosa.
It's too many options. Like everything sounds
I
good.
think I'm gonna definitely get that rum punch mimosa. Why
A
not?
rum punch mimosa.
Yeah, why not?
In
They have a regular mimosa for
everywhere,
$9. It's not bad.
I love you in everywhere.
don't know.
Okay. Oh, I don't know.
What kind of fish is that?
This is salmon.
All right, myself. It looks like salmon.
It's crab stuffed salmon.
Oh, okay.
These wings look really good.
They smell good too.
Dig in, dig in.
They
Yeah.
do.
You gotta taste it first.
Ask for space.
Wait, so she kick it? Is she telling him to come back or no? Or she kicking him out?
You kicking him out. Come get your clothes. I got them folded.
I keep a dollar worth of dime. No giving for all my chicks in the club. Who knows how to cut 'em up. Sexy for the girls.
This is compa.
Somebody die out here.
My coochie.
I'm gonna have to die for it.
You can't do it, ready? Wait. Right. Yeah. Ah.
He said get out.
He said get out.
One more.
Oh damn. What time is it?
Oh my god.
I wonder if the camera caught that.
I hope so.
It's caught everything.
Wait, but something came off my bag.
Walk over that channel. Why that?
Oh. Wait, stop. What you doing? Stop.
I couldn't stop it.
This is fun. Oh my god. I am drunk, y'all. And we about to. I gotta close my bag, but it's lit. We lit. I'm lit. Woo! Yo, we acting the fuck up. Oh, y'all cross the street. We riding across the bridge right now. Let me show y'all what it look like. Look at the water. There's a bathroom? Crazy. I know the cars is looking at me like, what is this bitch doing?
The keys on my keys was green enough.
Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Look at the boaties.
I always wanted to go there. Let's do house kitchen.
Oh. Oh, they got a jazz fest over here. So pretty out here. We are waiting for our reservation. And they said we gotta wait 30 minutes, so. And then we came across this little area that's like really pretty. It's like a strip. This is low-key like a strip.
Yeah, I'm saying, you see the house right there?
But I wonder if it like turns into like
Oh, like something active.
Night? Yeah. That would be cool.
It might. But I see a lot of black people out here, so maybe black people come here too.
I hope it really never came back.
Yeah, he hate us. We got like an hour until our boat ride, so we're just walking around exploring.
That's a party.
Sean went to the bathroom. Oh. Why did he move? This is so pretty in the background. OMG.
Oh, but I didn't bring my thingy.
We also got really nothing to sit on.
I was just about to say, I didn't
yeah.
bring my picnic blanket. But we could buy a sheet also from like.
Just one sheet.
That's a loud ass bug,
We
bro.
could buy that shit from.
What the hell?
He calling for a woman.
Got off the boat. We are under the influence. And we're walking to Van Leeuwen, however you say that shit, to get some ice cream. But yeah, I know I haven't really been talking that much, but like I'm having a good time. I'm trying to live more in the moment, honestly. Say hi, guys. Sim. Good morning, guys. I'm mad tired. Maybe like around 1. Huh? I mean, we went to sleep earlier than the last night for sure. But I woke up at like 7, bro. 7 something. Now I was trying to go back to sleep, but it didn't work out like that. Wait, what spot is this? Oh, really? Oh, really? You might have to wake some up. Yeah, this is calm.
Some alcohol on your toe.
Why would I do that?
Not like liquor, but rubbing alcohol take the soreness out of your skin.
How? How was gonna do that?
I'm telling you, it sounds crazy, but it works.
Take the
That's what it's
soreness?
for, rubbing alcohol. Yeah, but like let's say like I don't know, if your finger hurts, you put it in alcohol, and then like a few minutes later, it won't be sore anymore.
Yeah, it's like the inflammation and shit.
Yeah.
And soreness. Especially that green one I heard.
I thought it was only for disinfecting.
The old heads be like,
That's what I one of my main things that
I needed this. My stomach was scraping the bottom again. Y'all, look how pretty this bathroom is. Like, what? It's so nice in here. Oh my god. And I look cute. I've been in here way too long, just doing nothing. Like, I didn't even have to use the bathroom. I just wanted to come in here. But this is a nice ass restaurant, and the food is good as fuck. But I've been doing a really bad job at recording the food because it's kind of like most of them we get like split in 3, so I be forgetting to like before we dig in to like, you know, record or whatever. But I'm gonna do better. I promise.
another omelet, another dumpling.
I didn't want to be sweating. Oh yeah, we buy we stay there, I think. Oh, we took Maya to go there.
Yeah.
That's why they say to hop around. Yeah, I don't know what I'm hearing. They like meat. You got the app, you can look at who's at the door.
Yeah.
No, you got Phil and Wayne. More chair.
There's a lot of color now. But none of this is the same way. Where are you seeing the same way?
It is the same. Oh no, it's not. It's a mini more worth than I thought. But it is the same.
Yeah.
It look crazy.
Tiles. Bro, I be dreaming about places that look like this.
For real, you're so right about that. You nailed it. I'm not gonna lie. This feels like it's out of a fucking plane.
This feels like Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah.
Wow. Color is good. It really big. Y'all want me in your picture?
You in it? Like what? Psst.
I'm kind of scared of Jessica.
I'm trying not to think about it. That's why I'm distracting myself. I'm falling.
It's amazing. Sun's amazing. That's our remix. Sun's amazing. Sun's amazing. What's your remix? Sun's amazing.
Sun's amazing.
No, like the sun's amazing.
Oh, the sun is amazing.
Hey, is that the roll-on deodorant building?
Nah.
That is the roll-on deodorant building. Wait.
Yeah, man, I'll
Oh.
Sean, you want to join us?
He like these crazy motherfuckers. Ah. Oh, we ain't really see shit for real. I feel like we've been walking all day. It is really nice, for sure.
And the fact that the water's getting up that high too is dope.
Guess where we're at?
Anybody have a flag? Can you show me a flag?
Damn, I should have bought my
Show
flag.
me a flag. DJ Prince Royal on the set.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, yeah, come on, chuck it down, come on, walk it down, come on, stick it down, come on, come on, come on.
Voy a brincar tambor, sáquelo, say,
Easy up a slide, come on, full of secretion. G-spot, make it easy, take it with your fingertip. Regular, you use a fingertip. And baby, you get it in the hole. Big come and rub it all like yeah, drink into me. Be a baby. When you walk, when you're fucking on, no fucking on, not a fucking on, not a fucking on.
I don't get no risk, running up a check, yeah. I'm on the answer, you still gotta shuffle. Over the drippin', just know how to hustle. Look at your bitch through these D of my purpose. I give me some head, she. They selling me, I've been looking like dollar. This shot hot water, not just like a golfer. We riding bars, ain't no more Apollos. Ain't have no new one, but I got baby bottles. That money, I watch how I drip when I hit that neck
I
elevate.
didn't charge my camera. We are back. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to sit outside.
Damn. Do you have your sweater close to you?
I have my jean jacket in there. I'm not like cold, but we are back at Milk and Honey. It's the only place we can find for real.
I put this shit together.
Now the flies want to come.
Right.
You think it's dinner time?